Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to learn all about polynomial division, and that is by long division with three different examples and synthetic division with another three different examples. To my YouTube channel, do not forget to click subscribe so that you will be updated for the next video that we are going to talk about. So first is we are going to talk about steps for performing long division method. So I know that when we are going to talk about long division, you already learned this way back to your elementary level, in which you are going to divide the dividend or the number inside the division symbol to the divisor. Then right after that, you will multiply the quotient to the divisor, then subtract it to the dividend. And the remaining values will be the remainder. Now that goes the same in when we are going to perform the long division process. So magkapareho lang yung process sa pag-perform ng division operation by whole number and by algebraic expression. So all you need to do is to master and to familiarize the three steps. So first is, what are we going to do is we are going to multiply the answer by the divisor and then subtract. If we can recall, or if we can go back to our elementary level, maaalala natin na what are we going to do first is i-divide natin yung dividend sa divisor, tapos yung answer is i-multiply natin pabalik sa divisor at i-subtract sa dividend. So the same process lang pag-uusapan natin ay polynomials na. Then after that, you are going to repeat the process until it can be done. So what does it mean? Until all the terms in your dividend will be finished or natapos na or nagamit na ang lahat ng terms sa dividend. Then of course, what is left will be your remainder. Now I am going to show you three examples on how we are going to perform the long division process in a very detailed way. Okay, so for example, divide x squared minus 5x plus 4 by x minus 1. So basically, this is a very common example. So what are we going to do first is yung first term ng ating dividend, which is x squared minus 5x plus 4, yung first term ng dividend, i-divide mo sa first term ng divisor. I repeat, ang first term sa yung dividend, i-divide sa first term sa imong divisor. So the first term in our dividend is x squared, and the first term of our divisor is x. So what is x squared divided by x? So the answer is x. So that will be your first quotient, x. So afterwards, pareho sa pag-perform ng whole number, yung x, i-multiply mo sa divisor, entire divisor. So that is x minus 1. You multiply x to x minus 1. So x times x, x squared. Then x times negative 1. Then that is negative 1x. Then right after that, you will subtract, right? So yun yung rule or yun yung process sa whole number before. Isa-subtract natin yung dividend sa product ng quotient at saka divisor. So the rules in subtracting is you have to change the sign of the terms to its opposite. If it is negative, then that will become positive. And if it is positive, then that will become negative. All right? So for example, so since x squared minus 1x, you are going to change to its opposite. Kaya nangyari, naging negative x squared plus 1x. In such a way, you can perform by addition. So makakancel na yung x squared. Tapos, negative 5x plus positive x. Since magka-opposite yung sign, ating isa-subtract. If it has unlike signs, then you are going to subtract the value of your similar terms. And that will become negative 4x. So what is remaining in your dividend is positive 4. So i-bring down mo yun. You bring down positive 4, and that is negative 4x plus positive 4. That will be your new equation. So as you can see, this is your new equation, the negative 4x plus 4. Then you do the same process. The first term of your dividend divided by the first term of your divisor. So negative 4x divided by x, the answer is negative 4 dahil maka-cancel yung x. So that is, in your quotient, you write it there, minus 4 or negative 4. Then the same process again, negative 4, i-multiply mo ang negative 4 sa entire divisor. So that will become negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Then again, ang rule ng subtraction, you subtract is to change the sign of the terms to its opposite. So since yung negative 4x is negative, magiging positive yun. Tapos yung positive 4, magiging negative 4. Then you perform addition. So they are negative 4x plus positive 4x is 0, and positive 4 plus negative 4 is also 0. So the remainder is 0, or you can write directly, the quotient is x minus 4, x minus 4. So that is how you are going to perform long division process. Very simple. All you need to do is to master the process that you have learned way back to your elementary level. Okay, so let's have another example. This one. 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 divided by x minus 2. So the same process again, in performing long division process, dapat ilagay mo sila sa naka-long division talaga. So para hindi kayo maka-confused kung paano gagawin. So dapat detailed tayo dito. Okay? So again, first term of your divisor divided by the first term of your first term of your dividend divided by the first term of your divisor. So the first term of our dividend is 2x squared divided by the first term of our divisor, which is x. So 2x squared divided by x is 2x. So that will be your first quotient. Tapos, pag may 2x na, anong gagawin mo ulit? I-multiply mo sa entire divisor. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Then after that, perform subtraction operation. So again, to perform subtraction, you have to change the sign of your subtrahend to its opposite. So ang nangyari, or what will happen is, so yung 2x squared nagiging negative at yung negative 4x nagiging positive. Then perform addition, maka-cancel na yon kasi magkaiba yung sign. So 0 na yon. So 3x plus positive 4x, that will be 7x, then bring down 4. So that will become negative 4. So still the same process. First term of your new polynomial expression, which is 7x minus 4, the first term divided by the first term of the divisor. So what will happen is 7x divided by x, so that will positive 7. So after that, yung positive 7, i-multiply mo sa divisor, that is x minus 2. So you have there 7 times x is 7x. Then 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Then right after that, again, what are we going to do? Change the sign of your subtrahend to its opposite. Since the sign is, for the 7x is positive, magiging negative yun. At since the sign of your 14 is negative, magiging positive 14 yun. So after that, perform addition. 7x plus negative 7x is 0. Negative 4 plus positive 14 is positive 10. So as you notice, wala nang natitira sa ating dividend. So yung positive 10, that will be your remainder. So magkapareho lang ng whole number. Pag may leftover, then that will be your remainder. So do not make a confusion with that. Pag na yun na yung natira, wag mo na yung ano. Pag natira na, iiwan mo na. Joke. Hugot lang. So that will be positive 10. So how are you going to express your answer? Is 2x plus 7 as your quotient plus your remainder is 10 over your divisor, which is x minus 2. So that is how you're going to express your answer. So your answer will be 2x plus 7 plus 10 over x minus 2. Bakit plus? Because yung 10 is positive. Pag negative yung remainder, then magma-minus kayo. Minus 10 over x minus 2. So I hope klaro sa ating video kung paano natin i-perform ang long division method or ang long division process in dividing two polynomials. So in the next video, I will be showing to you how are we going to perform the synthetic division, which is the shorter way.